Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. Today we are going to start a new project which is clinic management system, and this project is we will make this project with the Django, Bootstrap 5 and PostgreSQL, right? In this project we are not going to use any front-end framework like React or Next. We will create this project with the simply Django, Bootstrap 5 and PostgreSQL, right? So in this project we will create these are the features, right? So we will create the doctor panel. In this doctor panel we will create a login and credentials will be created by the super admin. We will give reset password option to the doctor, and we will have a add update patient section where doctor can add these fields, right? So name, age, gender, mobile address detail and medicine detail, any note, amount of the patient visit, and the next visit, that when the patient will come next, right? And I will also create a quick add patient which is exclude the mobile and address, and all other information will included in the quick add patient. Next visit is important because we will in this system we will create the notification system. So next, this notification system is depend on the next visit, right? And next notification system we will send via the SMS or email. So doctor can set that how many day before he can set the next visit, or he can put also zero. If it will put zero, then we will not send any notification, or actually it will check the conditions that how doctor set and how many days, right? And we will also create the reports like daily, monthly, yearly, for how many patient come in daily, monthly or yearly, and for the amount also, that how much amount we collected, I mean doctor collected. And finally we will create the export for the patient data in Excel format. So these are the features that we will create in this system, and this is a version 1, right? So we will also create the version 2. Okay, so in the version 2 we will manage the stock of the medicine. We will see, we will discuss about that later. So these are the basic feature that we will include in this version, right? And we will use, as I said, we will use Python, Django, PostgreSQL and Bootstrap 5, right? So these are the basic things that we will use for making this project. So I have also set up the how many videos. So we will create 12 video for this series. This is an introduction video. Next video will be set up, then doctor login, quick add patient, doctor login and reset password, right? And then quick add patient form, patient update form, right? So patient add update form, let's say add update patient, send notification. So we will create two videos for notification, and for the report we will create two videos, and for the amount collected we will create only one video. So all over 12 videos for this series, and in this 12 video we will complete the project, right? And everything available on the Git. I will include the repository in the first video. So not the code repository, but how you can get the code, right? So I will set the as much as small price for this project, and if you want to learn, then please you can continue with the YouTube videos. And but if you need the source code, then you need to pay a small amount, then you can get the source code via GitHub, right? So these are the feature and these are the things that we will create in this project, and I hope you will like this project. And I'll also make it the HMS system that I will include maybe next to next week, and that will be the single video, right? Like I have told you in the community. So these are the things that we will do in the clinic management system, and we will include the 12 videos for this series. Okay, so let's meet next with the setup, that how we can set up the project, and then we can continue with the doctor login, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, and please stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab, right? And thank you.